Welcome to SG Fine Art. Today we are going to paint this landscape. Starting with the sky, the mixture of titanium white and lemon yellow. Starting with the blue, titanium white plus cobalt blue. Painting and mixing, making the edges soft. Beautiful looking sky. I'm using hog bristle round brushes. Almost done with the sky now. The distant mountain ranges, neutral gray, Payne's gray plus white. Hidden behind the snow and clouds. That's the beauty of oil paint, the perspective with oil paint. The more darker the color, the range is nearer. But the colors are cool. Bluish colors, severe red hots and hot yellows and hot oranges for the front. All the things in the distance are bluish in color, cool colors. Blue and a bit of violet, making a bit of variation in colors. Only one color look boring and monotonous. Look, even the yellows are cool yellow. Greenish yellow, yellow ochre, making a bit desaturated with Payne's gray, white, and just a bit of Viridian green. Painting and mixing, making the edges soft. Now the shadows in the front, they are the darkest values in the painting. I always say the key to realism is values, not the colors, not the details. It's not about how many grasses, how many leaves you paint. It is only about values. If you can put the values correct, your painting will look realistic. I'll apply another coating, just filling up the whites. Sunlight hitting those areas. Light and shadow, light and shadow. That's the beauty of a painting. Filling up the whites, doing a bit of detailed work. The houses are looking beautiful. Layering on the fields. Second layer provides depth to the painting. Applying a bit of variation in the colors of grass. Lighter portions, you can see the sunlight hitting directly in those areas. Mixing the gray with the greens and blues of the mountain. No hard edges. Just work around the edges. Don't mix everything. Clouds and snows, whatever it is. Applying thick layers of colors. Re-emphasizing the darks and lights in the trees. Applying the darks. Wet on wet, that's the beauty of oil paint. working on the lights in the background, trees, bushes in the open field, filling up the whites. Mixing the background with the trees. When you see the things move in the backside, goes farther away, you see the details are diminishing. That's the beauty of painting. Things in the front are pretty much detailed. The things in the background are very hazy, blurred, diminishing details. Applying second layer of orange. Now the highlights on the trees, sunlight hitting on those areas directly. Lighter portions of the houses. The door. Even the black color is a bit light. Maybe a house in the distance. Filling up the whites. Working on the background trees. The houses. Minor details. Small windows. Just to make the house look beautiful. Sunlight hitting the roofs of the houses from left to right. Look at the shadows around below the roof. Just a few points of interest. Don't know what are those things actually. Few spots of white, some pillars, maybe something else. And this painting is coming to an end. If you like my paintings, please like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. It will give me encourage to bring further videos. I paint landscapes and portraits in oil and figuratives. Just a few dots of white, places of interest, light post, pillars, sticks, whatever. Just a few white spots left, filling those up. The painting is almost covered except one light post in the right. Applying a few highlights for sunrise. Shadow under the light post. Mixing the grasses, the painting is almost finished. Few things maybe. It's almost done, it's looking photorealistic. So almost that's all for today. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.